Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, September 17th, 2020. It is day 5 on your specials rotation, so you will have music today at 11 a.m. And it is the 12th day of school, so I've updated our coins here. We have a dime and 2 pennies, so that's 10, 11, 12, makes 12. I also have our rec and rec that I've updated. So yesterday we counted the 10 way by saying that we had 10, 1, and now today it is 10, 2. That's right. And tomorrow will be 10, 3. You got it. All right, I also have a number bond up here showing 9 in the whole, as the whole, and 3 is one of the parts. So I'm going to give you a second and think about what would be the other part of 9. 3 and if you said 6, you are correct. So I'm going to roll over here and put 6 in. And then I also have an equation here, if you notice, a blank equation that says blank equals blank plus blank. And I'm going to give you a second to think about how can we put the numbers in the number bond into the equation here? What do you think? And the equation might look a little bit different than what you're used to seeing, where the equal sign is first. But remember, we talked about how it's not really backwards, it's just another way of showing an equation. So what do you think? What would go in the blanks? All right, if you said 9 plus, or I'm sorry, 9 equals, see, I even did it. 9 equals 3 plus 6, you would be correct. Now, you could also have thought in your head 9 equals 6 plus 3. So either way would work. All right, before we talk about the schedule, let's just stand for the Pledge of Allegiance, if you would like to join me. And here's our flag. And we have, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, thank you. So for today's schedule, for our what is going on today, first thing this morning, your math application problem will come out at 9, and then there will also be a wit and wisdom lesson or activity, but the activity is for you just to watch the learning video that is attached to the Seesaw activity. You can still find it under the light bulb. I've recorded a video lesson of me going back and talking about the questions that you asked Tomas and the library lady. So we are going to reread the story in that lesson video and discuss some of the questions that you had and look for the answers. So that is this morning. You can just send the activity in blank, or you can write done or put a check mark or whatever works best for you. But once you've watched the video, you can just send that and it will clear it from your activities feed where they're all listed. All right, that's for this morning. And then at 10 a.m., we will have our live class and we are going to take our first spelling test. So in the red folder that was in your supply box, there should be several copies of a blank spelling test. It looks like this with the high frequency words, 1 through 12, then 1 through 4, and the part to write a sentence. If you could please bring a blank copy of this to the 10 a.m. class. You don't have any letters to bring today. We don't have word building today. We'll just do this, okay? So if you could bring that, and then we'll talk a little bit about the next lesson in Wit and Wisdom at 10 a.m. There'll be a short response after our 10 a.m. class, and then we'll have our math at 1 and our math problem set and exit ticket like we've been doing. And just 2 quick announcements before we start the day. For the STAR reading, the window to take the STAR reading assessment closes on Friday. So if you have not taken it yet, if you could please complete that by Friday. And again, I know that it can be, especially at the beginning of the year, a challenging assessment for you. and it does not read the questions to you like you may be used to on a lot of the other things that you do online. And I'm just asking, just try your best. I promise it's okay. If there are questions that you don't know, you just make your best guess and move on. Just click move on. And that just helps to give me an idea of where, where we're kind of starting the year. And it is okay. It is okay that you don't know all of the reading that you need to do on the STAR assessment. So just wanted to mention that one more time. And if you could complete that by Friday, if you haven't. And on one other thing I wanted to mention, there's one other assessment that we will be taking for the beginning of the year, and it's called the NWEA. And you'll take it on your iPad, obviously, and you may remember it from kindergarten. You took it in the in the winter rather, but that was a while ago. So I just wanted to let you know, if at all possible, and just to kind of give everybody a heads up to, if you could please try your best to be at the 10 a.m. live class on Friday, September 18th, because we'll be doing the NWEA, and it's an assessment where like I'll start it, you'll log on, and then I have to confirm. So we kind of have to be together when you start that assessment. So I just kind of wanted to let everybody know about that. If at all possible, if you're able, to please try to join the 10 a.m. class on Friday, September 18th. And then we'll take another portion of the NWEA the following Monday at 10 a.m. the 21st. So again, if at all possible, to be there for that as well. So just wanted to let you know, if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Thanks again for everything.